So this morning we're in Smeaton Forest and we're at Foss Waterfall. I don't know if the tea rooms is open, but we're going to go get a coffee if it is. There's the waterfall, look. The fallen tree beside it. And I'll just scan you around. See the autumn foliage is starting to show.
That's beautiful.
Just spin you around. Deborah getting out of the shot. Beautiful spot this. And I don't know if the cafe's open. It's not looking like it. It's not looking like a cafe anymore, in fact. So let's go have a look.